2025 Suzuki Mehran, a classic returns with a modern twist. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran marks the return of one of the most beloved compact cars, now with a fresh design and improved features. Maintaining its reputation for affordability and efficiency, the new Mehran blends practicality with subtle modern updates to cater to urban and budget-conscious drivers. Exterior design. The 2025 Mehran retains its signature compact shape but now features a more aerodynamic and refined look. The front fascia is redesigned with sleeker headlights and a modernized grille, giving it a slightly aggressive stance. The bumpers are smoother, and Suzuki has integrated sharper lines along the body for a more contemporary feel. The rear has also been upgraded with LED tail lights, enhancing visibility and style. The addition of alloy wheels in higher trims gives the car a premium touch, while its small footprint makes it perfect for city driving. Interior upgrades. Inside, the new Mehran sees a major improvement over its predecessor. The dashboard has been redesigned with a digital speedometer and a more user-friendly infotainment system with Bluetooth and USB connectivity. The seats now offer better cushioning for improved comfort, and the cabin materials have been slightly upgraded to feel more refined. Suzuki has also introduced optional power windows and keyless entry, making it a more modern choice for budget-conscious buyers. Engine performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mehran is powered by a fuel-efficient 800cc engine, now tuned for better performance and lower emissions. The improved fuel injection system ensures better mileage, making it an economical choice. The car is available in both manual and automatic variants, catering to different driving preferences. Price availability. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran remains one of the most affordable cars in its segment. The base model starts at around $7,500, while the higher trims with additional features are priced slightly higher. With its blend of reliability, affordability, and modern enhancements, the Mehran continues to be a strong contender in the small car market.